Let me go ahead and say the quiet part out aloud. Christmas 2025 is not the year to play around with airports. Everything is changing all at once. Airport policies, weather patterns, government drama, flight delays popping up like popcorn, all of them. And people are tired of that kind of travel chaos. It's not all the time that travelers want to spend their holidays sleeping on an airport floor, fighting for an outlet, or watching their flight get delayed 3 hours at a time like torture. So, this year, a whole wave of smart folks like you are ditching the airport chaos and choosing something way more predictable. And that's the Christmas road trip. But before you grab your keys, that's your car keys I'm talking about, and crank up the Christmas playlist, I need to put you on to some things most people don't realize until they're already suffering on the highway. Stay with me because I am going to reveal the rookie mistake at the end that you need to hear. This ruins Christmas trips every single year. And I'll also tell you where to grab my travel guide, 25 plus airport and airline secrets they never wanted you to know. Because even if you're skipping the airport this year, 2025, you know you'll be flying again sometime. All right, so let's get right into it. Here's the thing that people forget. Christmas traffic is normal. It's not that, oh, it's kind of busy today energy. No, it's emotional traffic. It's people who are late, frustrated, overpacked, triggered, unarrested, and driving cars they barely maintain all year. Everyone is rushing. Everyone is stressed. And the vibe on the road reflects exactly that. If you leave when everybody else leaves, you're basically volunteering to sit in slow-moving traffic for hours. So if you can leave even a few hours early or shift your departure day just a little, you have to be flexible. You're going to glide past the travel chaos while everybody else is stuck wondering why the highway suddenly turned into a stadium entrance. Something else most people don't plan for is hotel availability. I'm talking about specifically hotels right off the highway. The ones you think will always have a room. Those are the first ones to sell out before and during Christmas week. And I don't mean Christmas Eve either. I mean several days leading up to it. Travelers get tired way earlier than expected, especially with unpredictable traffic and darker winter evenings, because it's getting darker now. They think I'll just grab a room when I get tired of driving, and that's how they end up driving another hour, then another hour, and then another, because every single exit they try, the hotels are full. So don't play that game. Book your rest stop now, not when your eyelids are fighting you on I-95. Now, let's talk about the weather, because December weather has an attitude problem. It will switch up on you without warning. You might start your trip in sunshine and end up driving through fog, icy winds, or rain so heavy it looks like someone flipped a bucket over your windshield. The smart move now is to check an hour-by-hour forecast for your entire route, not just your city, not just the city you're in, but not just your destination either, but also everything in between as you go along. And check it on at least 2 different apps, because weather apps disagree more than siblings sharing one bathroom. Okay, now, here's a big one. Gas stations. Nobody talks about this, but they absolutely prepare for the holiday rush. You know how stores gear up for Black Friday? It's Black Friday tomorrow too, just in case you didn't know. Gas stations get ready for Christmas travel. That's why you start seeing prices climb along major highways. Bathrooms get overcrowded, and shelves look like someone cleaned them out in the middle of the night while everybody was gone. Meanwhile, the local neighborhood gas stations, the ones a little off the main road, they stay calmer, cleaner, and cheaper. If you fill up before hitting the main highways, you're going to avoid overpaying. You avoid long bathroom lines, and you avoid pulling into a gas station where everything feels spit over. And if you do need to stop along the way, look for exits with multiple gas stations. Competition keeps them honest. Always remember that. Another time waster people don't think about is food stops. This is where families lose the most time. It's never just a quick bite. It's waiting for someone to decide what they want. Someone else changing their minds, long fast food lines, slow kitchen staff, kids needing bathroom breaks, and suddenly you've lost almost a whole hour over a sandwich. My advice is to pack something simple. Pack something that you already like. Pack food you can reach and eat without derailing your whole schedule. It doesn't have to be gourmet. You're not hosting a dinner party. No, you're not doing that. You just need something that keeps the car moving. All right? Now let's talk about your car for a moment, because people will get glammed up head to toe for Christmas. Nails done, hair done, everything moisturized and glowing, but then they treat their car like it's invincible. A road trip is not the time to gamble with old oil, weak tires, or a battery that's been giving you that don't trust me too much energy. A quick checkup of your vehicle before your trip can save you from sitting on the shoulder watching everybody else drive past on their way to hot chocolate and family hugs. Okay? And now the rookie mistake that I promised earlier. This one right here ruins Christmas trips every single year. People trust the drive time on Google Maps like it's gospel. Listen to me closely. Google Maps does not know December traffic. That cute little time estimate is based on a regular day, not holiday migration. Bathroom breaks take longer. Food stops take longer. Drivers slow down in bad weather. Kids need more breaks. Tolls back up. Detours happen. Everything is delayed. So if you're planning a trip that says 4 hours, just mentally add at least another hour or two. If it says 8 hours, go ahead and tell yourself it's closer to 10 hours. You'll be calmer, better prepared, and way less stressed. Now, before we wrap up, let me remind you, if you want insider travel strategies that airlines and airports don't exactly shout out loud, grab my guide, 25 plus airport and airline secrets they never wanted you to know. Even if you're staying off planes this year, this Christmas, you're going to still need it on your next trip. And some of the tips work with road trips as well. And trust me, the savings alone make it absolutely worth it. Now, if this video helped you, make sure that you subscribe and tap that notification bell real quickly, because in my next video, I'm going to share 5 US Christmas market experiences that feel just as magical as if you were going to Europe without the passport headaches. And listen, that video, you do not want to miss it. Drive safe now, travel smart, and enjoy every bit of your holiday season. Happy holidays, and thanks for watching.